Hello class. Yes, this is the last video I'm recording for this subject. We finished this long semester. It was interesting. Hopefully it was interesting for you guys too. We learned about different heat transfer phenomena: conduction, convection, radiation, and mass transfer. And I'm hoping now you have a good understanding of those phenomena. It's not just about knowing some formulas. I hope you know how to handle the project or problems you may face regarding heat and mass transfer. You have that understanding of how to handle those problems, and I tried my best to move toward that understanding for us. We had some feedbacks. I had my own personal feedbacks which we had a few sessions ago. Mainly it was about ANSYS. We need to have more debugging sessions for the ANSYS. As you know, we have 3 hours for lecture, 2 hours for tutorials. We don't have any extra hours for workshop or doing something extra. So for this arrangement, we don't have this possibility of having extra hours, and you know already the subject is a bit heavier than the other subjects. I tried to not make the software the main focus of the subject, so that is why I created those videos as a homework to gradually let you guys learn, experience, and have a better understanding of how we use heat transfer or fluid mechanics software. But I'm going to consider that feedback and maybe adding more details to the videos, more smaller steps to help more for future years. Then the other one was about homeworks. I have many people telling me I need to make homework compulsory. Yeah, I accept this feedback, and I think we need to have push a bit more regarding homework, because they are very important, and I intentionally design each of those homeworks to fill a gap, and gradually by passing days and weeks, we gradually getting better and better in the designing and investigating heat transfer problems and projects. The other one was about pracs. The quality of one of the equipment wasn't good enough. I know that, and we already talked with the college, and we already bought it actually, a very nice heat exchanger equipment. So for next year, instead of having external flow case which we had in a very old wind tunnel, now we are going to have a very nice heat exchanger test which is closer to the industrial application. And thank you for that feedback. And also we had a little bit feedbacks about the topics. It's a bit, the subject is heavy. Yes, it is heavier than the other subjects, but we can't do that much about that. And now it's the end of semester. Which chapter you think it wasn't necessary for you guys? They're like a chain connected to each other. If I remove one of the pieces, it's going to separate the whole chain, and it's not going to be that as strong and as well designed as the previous one. So maybe we can't decrease the amount of material we have, but by working more, practicing more, having more productive tutorial sessions, I may be able to help you more to handle the amount of information you're receiving every week. And I tried my best by creating the summary page or creating much more funner maybe tutorial sessions to get used to the solving the heat transfer questions. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for the feedback. And also I would like to ask you add your own personal feedback for the subject and my teaching on the LearnJSU website. There's if you don't know how to add the feedback, please go to your LearnJSU. There's a button for the feedback. I would appreciate if you could leave me a feedback there. It's going to encourage me to work harder, and it is a good assessment for me and university to know how this subject taught, or how well students dealing with the this subject design, or even about me and my teaching. And because I don't have any fourth year subjects, so this is the last session. We are going to see each other, and after that you are going to be fourth year, starting new subjects, and I'm wishing you all the best. Stay in touch. I'm active in Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. Definitely have a LinkedIn webpage. I really would like to know how you are doing, what type of job you found, how's your progress, and it makes me so happy. Okay, wish you all the best and good luck with the final exam.